Imagine this, you're driving down the highway in a luxury motorhome worth $20 million. But when you reach the shore, something unbelievable happens. With the push of a button, your motorhome spreads its wings, slides into the water, and transforms into a mega yacht. A house, a palace, and a yacht, all in one. Welcome to the future of luxury travel. Welcome to Wheels of Elegance, the channel where we explore the most mind-blowing luxury motorhomes of the future. Today, we'll step inside a motorhome concept that redefines the word impossible. The $20 million floating motorhome that turns into a yacht. From the outside, this masterpiece looks like a futuristic RV sculpted by the gods of luxury. A sleek, aerodynamic design with smooth golden lines running across a pure white body. But hidden within its frame is an engineering miracle. Retractable pontoons and yacht-grade hulls that deploy when it touches water. Imagine driving to the Italian coast and then setting sail without ever leaving your motorhome. That's the dream this design dares to imagine. Step inside and you'll forget you're even in a motorhome. A 7-star hotel on wheels and waves awaits. A master bedroom suite with a king-sized bed, floor-to-ceiling ocean view windows, and an auto-adjusting bed that balances perfectly whether on the road or at sea. A private cinema with recliner seats, a 100-inch screen, and immersive surround sound. A kitchen that rivals Michelin star restaurants, fully automated with smart appliances. And of course, a rooftop infinity pool where you can swim under the stars, whether you're parked in Monaco or floating in the Caribbean. But what makes this floating motorhome truly priceless is its technology. A solar-paneled roof powers the motorhome systems both on land and water. An AI navigation system that automatically switches from driving to sailing. Hidden hydro wings that deploy in yacht mode for stability and smooth sailing. A garage below deck that carries a sports car, a jet ski, or even a mini submarine. Yes, this isn't just luxury, it's a billionaire's fantasy brought to life. Picture this, you're on a world tour. One day, you're driving through the Swiss Alps. The next, you're anchored off the shores of Saint-Tropez. All without checking into a hotel, booking a flight, or even leaving your motorhome. This is not just transportation. This is freedom on wheels and waves. And the price? Around $20 million, more than most mansions, more than many yachts. But for the ultra-wealthy, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A symbol that says, why choose between a mansion, a motorhome, or a yacht, when you can have all three? So what do you think? Would you live in a motorhome that transforms into a yacht? Or is this just a billionaire's toy? Tell us in the comments below. And if you love exploring the world of futuristic luxury, make sure to subscribe to Wheels of Elegance for more mind-blowing designs. Because here, we don't just show motorhomes, we show the future of luxury living.